8th standard English students. Now we are going to learn about unit 7 proves cyber safety. So unit 7 proves cyber safety. So how to protect from this society, the cyber. What do you mean by cyber? Electronic. Okay, the electronic safety. So how we will use the internet. So the small conversation on mother and son. Okay, so just before we say that, a warm-up question here in pairs. Identify the types of computer. Choose and write the names from the box. For example, tablet, part-term computer, laptop, watch computer, personal computer, and supercomputer. So we have to use these computers appropriate names they have given this box. We will write the name of computer. Okay. Just let us start page number 181. One day Gladyn asked his mother. One day Gladyn asked his mother, "Mom, do you know how a screw catch works?" So he asked his mother, "Do you know how a scragist works?" Here, screw catch means measuring tool. Do you know about the measuring tool? Do you know how your measuring tool works? No, son, let us browse about internet. I don't know. So we will browse the internet, then we will find out the answer. Oh, can we find it in internet? Son said to the mother. Yes, son, internet is a great tool where you can gather information to gain knowledge. Yes, internet is a great tool. So whatever we need, we can get from the internet. So that it will give the information. Here it is, thank you, mom. So after hear that, he said, thank you, mom. Who's that? Gladyn said to his mother. Where are the kids, Gladyn and Ronnie? Where are the kids, Gladyn and Ronnie? Gladyn is gathering information internet for his science project. So that's why he asked that measuring tools. What is the measuring tool? What functions that? So we can browse the internet. We will get the information from the internet. Mother said to his son. Okay, Gladyn is gathering information internet from his science project. Or Ronnie seems to be frightened of something. Frightened means a fear. Okay, so scared otherwise of something. Oh, what happened of all sudden? Is anybody threatening her online? Threatening means afraid. If anybody is threatening her online, so what she is doing? So Ronnie and Gladyn, okay, so one brother and sister and mother, we know that one family situation only. So how to protect from the internet? That is the main theme of this post. They have given it here. Okay, what happened of all sudden? Is anybody threatening her online? Threatening online, are you suspecting any online predator or goodness? Threatening, fear, online, are you suspecting? Suspect. Frightened means scared, afraid, okay, we know that. Online predator, someone who sexually exploits a child over the internet. Cheating, that online predator. Okay, unknown person come and ask, come and get our information. Okay. So that is very safety. So that is online predator. Oh goodness. Let me call the Ronnie. Come here, dear. Let me call her Ronnie. Come here, dear. My dear, what happened? You seem dull. He asked. Father asked to Ronnie, what happened? You seem dull. No, Dad, I am okay. Ronnie replied, no, Dad, I am okay. Don't worry, I am here to help you. Tell me now, how can I help you? If you have any problem, just you can inform, I will help you. Father asked to Ronnie. I am really scared. Oh, no, what if he comes home? Really scared, afraid. Who? Any of your online friends? Why do you want to get afraid? Any of your online friends? Yes, he chats every day. One man who chats every day. He knows my names, address, age, everything he knows. So that He chats every day. Every day he wants to speak with me. So that's my problem. Ronnie informed his father. Nowadays he uses bad words. And nowadays he uses bad words. He also told me that if I discuss about the chat to anyone else, he will catch harm to my family members. If I discuss about the chat to anyone else, he will catch harm to my family members also. Don't respond to his message even if he continuously disturb you. Even if he wants to speak with you continuously, don't respond. Don't write any message to him. After some days, he may not chat. Still, if he bothers you, I will take care of him by talking to his parents, or I will report to the cyber police. Don't worry, my dear. Again, if he wants to speak with you, you have to inform him clearly. So, okay, I will complain to the cyber police. I will report to the cyber police. Don't worry, my dear. Bothers blame. Okay. So, bother to disturb her on my bothering. Okay. Thank you very much, Dad. Ronnie replied, thank you very much, Dad. Dear, please advise our children how to use internet wisely. Fine, call Gladdy. Children, online facilities are for sharing among known members. Never chat with anybody unless you know them, like classmates, friends, family members. Only you have to speak with your family members and friends only. Unknown members you will not speak hereafter. Keep your personal details like photos, phone number, Aadhaar number, interest very private. Don't use your personal information in the internet. Why so? Strangers may use your profile and misuse your information without your knowledge. Stranger, unknown persons, they will use without your permission, they will use. Okay. Internet or mobile helps us to connect with people around the world. Allow us to watch movies, listen to music, play games and enjoy various other activities. Internet or mobile helps us connect with people around the world, allow us to watch movie, listen to music, play games and enjoy various other activities. There is a chance to get addicted to this powerhouse of entertainment. So through the entertainment we will addict to the internet. So don't use hereafter. We have to use way of text. Good things only we will learn from the internet. Dear, tell them what happens if someone is addicted to mobile addiction cases several serious problems. If we have mobile addiction, several serious problems will come, such as headache, weakened eyesight, sleep disorders, depression, stress, social isolation, aggressive behavior, financial problems, ruined relationships, and low professional growth. So everything will be happen through the internet. Aggressive, which means prone to behave in way that involves attacking or arguing. Beneficial, helpful. Okay. Oh my God, we can't ignore the benefits, helpful, of internet and mobile phone to our life, educationally and socially. But we must limit their usage to take charge of our lives. Sure that too much of anything is good for nothing, right, mom? So finally, don't use the internet, don't use your personal information through the internet. So we have to speak only family members and friends, knowing person. Unknown purpose, if there is no, just immediately you should not talk anything. Don't share. So father and mother advise to the daughter, Rani. So Gladden is a son. Okay. So he lost. Too much of anything is good for nothing. So right, mom, so that is a cyber safety. Okay, I hope you all understood that cyber safety. Thank you, students.